Good evening. Today we are here at Ilili, which is a multi-cuisine restaurant of the hotel Rami Guest Line, which is in Dadar. They have one more location in Juhu also, but today we are in Dadar East. It's just opposite Swaminarayan Temple, and this is a beautiful rooftop restaurant which has taken my breath away. I'm here with my team to try out the Lebanese spread. They have pastas also and continental food, but today we are just going to focus on Middle Eastern and Lebanese food. So, Ilili, it's a very interesting name, right? It means tell me. So, it's a very good conversation starter line, and this setup is right for a conversation starter or an icebreaker. So, I'm going to enjoy my meal over here, take you along, of course, for the journey of my food tasting and show you around so you can go and take a look at what this restaurant is. So I'll meet you at the table. Bye. Now that we have seated in the restaurant and we have ordered a spread, like a huge spread and two mocktails as well. So once the food starts coming in, we'll introduce you to the spread, what we have ordered for today, and then let you know how it is. So now we have the spread over here, and as I said, we have ordered a spread. So this is it, a huge spread where we have two big platters. One is the classic pita bread, all the types of hummuses and the other condiments with some of the salad. I'm salivating right now. With the non-veg platter over here, a flatbread, very refreshing looking mocktails. There are prawns, and then we have a healthier version that's a salad, a tabbouleh. And if you're having Middle Eastern food and not ordering for tabbouleh, I think you should start doing that because you're missing on to something very interesting over here. And you will see a lot of flashes on my face. No, I'm not inside any photo shoot or anything of mine, but they have an in-house shoot over here happening. So they have a separate shoot of theirs. The restaurant is having their own photo shoot. So that's why you will see some flashes on my face as well occasionally. So please bear with that. So let's continue, and I will ask someone for help and let you know all the names of the dishes as he tells us.
This is the shish tao.
Shish tao,
Yeah. Chicken harissa,
chicken harissa,
chicken urfa,
chicken urfa,
lamb adana,
lamb adana,
then chicken cheese adana.
chicken cheese adana. And it's served with what sauce?
This is the garlic stew.
Garlic toom
Yeah.
and
Satta hara.
satta hara sauce with salad, pickled salad,
Yes. With the pickled onion,
pickled onions and
pickled,
pickled vegetables. And this is the fish fusion. And this is the original original
classic hummus,
classic hummus,
basil
basil
hummus,
hummus,
Beirut hummus,
Beiruti hummus,
falafel,
falafel,
Thai salad,
yes, Lebanon, Muhammad, garlic toast. And this is the flatbread, right? Mushroom truffle. And what's the drink? Tropical sparkle. And it has what in it?
This is cranberry and pineapple.
Cranberry and pineapple. And these are the, oh wow. And these are the bang bang prawns. And the platter comes with pita and a pickled salad. And this is the tabbouleh. Tabbouleh. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
I'm now starting with my platter. Okay. This I'm going to take the mini pita. This is the smallest pita I've ever seen. So yeah, I'm going to just break it apart. Let the steam just pass out. You can see. Now I'm going to try this individually with the pita. A small piece of pita bread. First I'm going to try the original, the classic pita bread. This is a cold message. I love pita and I love hummus. So it's velvety and very nutty. For the second, I'm going to try the basil one. You're hit with the basil flavor as soon as you put it in your mouth. So it's just yummy. Now the beirut one. This is something I wanted to try for a very long time. You can see some herbs on it and some chili oil along with it. So yeah, it's a nice. If they had a baby with some more seasoning in it, it would have been this. It's a bit tangy also. I think they have some amount of lemon in it. So that's very nice. Now I'm going to just try some of the. This is the. I'm not going to attempt to pronounce it. He told me some name, but I have forgotten it. I'm really sorry for it. Oh, this is like a hunkered dip with some olive oil and some chili flakes in it. Can you please pass me the other dips? We have just exchanged the sides of this platter, and I have tried this. Okay, this is the spicy one. I think it has some harissa in it, and my favorite pomegranate seeds. So I am going to take pomegranate seed in it. It looks very fiery. Let's see. It is. The first bite, you don't feel the fire. Now I feel it. I think I'm going to need some of the drinks to nullify the fire. So, yeah, I'm going to take a break and just go try this refreshing cucumber drink. It has a flavor of rosemary, cucumber. It's a bit sweet, but very refreshing and very nice. It's very interesting. You should try this. Yeah, back to eating. I would have just had a small accident, right? And last but not the least, the garlic dip, the famous garlic dip in any Middle Eastern course. I love garlic, and this is just with some za'atar on it and some amount of herbs. So yeah, now I'm going to turn from the platter to my flatbread, which is a mushroom and truffle flatbread. It has some truffle oil on it, some cheese and some mushroom. So yeah, I am going to take a small piece of it. Okay, this is like a pizza, so I'm just going to eat like pizza how I do. It has real strong flavors. There is some basil pesto layered down with cheese, flavored mushrooms, and a lot of truffle flavor. And the base is also interesting. It is also flavored with a lot of basil. So yeah, it is a small flavor bomb in the shape of flatbread, and it's very nice. It's a must try over here. Now I'm just turning towards my salad because I have had a lot of heavy things right now. So just like a palate cleanser or a system cleanser, I'm turning to my salad. Can you please pass me the salad? This is my favorite tabush. It has a lot of parsley. I'm destroying this beautiful creation, but I have two tomatoes, onion, and my favorite pomegranate seeds. And I'm going to just take some for myself over here. It's some pomegranate seeds, of course. Thank you. different flavors. All the ingredients in this particular salad are at different tangents. Like the herb is the parsley is very strong. At the same time, onions are strong. Tomato is a bit mellow, and the burst of pomegranate seeds are like. I just love this salad. Whenever I'm eating a Lebanese meal, I make sure I get this because I love this. I have a lot to taste right now. I'll enjoy this later on. So coming back to another platter over here. So we have different types. Right now I'm going to first try the chicken one. Now I'm trying the first of it. Okay. I'm just trying it like this only right now, without any condiments. Amazing. The smoky effects. It's not spicy. It has all the flavorings like yogurt. There's a lot of garlic in it, and it's amazing. Moving ahead, this is the harissa one, which I'm really scared of because harissa and spice. I just had a taste of it. So this I'm not going to dare to eat it without any dip. So I have this garlic dip. They're complementing each other very nicely. This is the Adana. It's minced chicken with a lot of spices in it. This also, I would like to taste it with some of the garlic sauce with some za'atar on it. Okay. Melt in the mouth. No other word. The meat is also chunky. It's not like pasty. It's chunky. So it has a body or it has some texture to it. So that's very nice. Moving on to the lamb. If we are coming to a Middle Eastern restaurant and not ordering lamb, it's like a crime. I think they'll ban me in Middle East. Look at that. Coarsely ground meat. With I can see some herbs, a lot of spices. I just can't wait. I love lamb. And this is like very soft and juicy and velvety. This is one of the best kebabs. Then they all are good, but this is the best amongst them. And one piece I'm going to try with over here, the garlic dip. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. And the last one is the cheese adana, which I have been waiting for a very long time. Okay, this is the cheese adana. This I will first taste without anything. Mind blowing. They both are the same, just that this has cheese. So just the cheese has changed the entire profile of the flavor. But they all are just amazing, exquisite, I could say. I want to try this spicy sauce over here. I'll just have it like this. It was a mistake having it without anything. It's very spicy. To neutralize this, I think I'm going to go for this drink next. My mouth is on fire right now. I acted stupid and I tasted it without any accompaniment. So this is going to neutralize it now. Cool my senses. That's it. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's flavorful. It has some kind of scent in it. It's scent, I can say. And it is chilled. It was served in a shell with lots of ice around it. So that has kept it cool and that has cooled my mouth as well. Just amazing. I'm going to set this aside for a while till the time I try the prawns. Can you please pass me the prawns? Thank you. So I'm going to. They are nicely fried prawns with some lemon on it, and I'm going to take a piece for myself. And as they have given a lemon, I would like to try. The lemon is dipped. It's a sweet lime. It's dipped in some butter. I will just punch in few drops in it. And now I'm going to try it. The prawns are fresh. It's batter fried with some kind of mayonnaise spicy sauce. It's not like what you get in a Japanese restaurant or something. It's something different. And the hint of sweet lime just takes it to a different level. It increases the flavor by I think 50 notches at least. So yeah, amazing. I would like to try this with some of the spicy sauce which I tasted right now. Now I want to dare to taste it again. The spice level is perfect for this prawn over here. I'm going to enjoy my meal with my team over here. You know, just sink in the ambience, listen to good music, chill, and then go back home. So this is a place where you can have good time with your family, friends, and just you can come here alone also, sip a coffee or have a nice easy breezy cocktail or a mocktail, read a book, enjoy the music, enjoy the weather, and it's a place where you can come alone also and with a gang also. Any which way, you're going to have fun over here because this is a good place, a very lively place, and I'm so enjoying it, and I'm going to enjoy it. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, if you have liked this video, please like, subscribe because there is no subscription happening, and share it with your loved ones so that they will fall in love with this place and make a plan and come here fast. Till then, take care, have fun, stay safe. Bye.